How to turn on or turn off larger text size on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Display and Text Size. And here, tap on Larger Text. And then tap on Larger Accessibility Size. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Once you have turned it on, at the bottom here, you can drag on the slider bar to the left to decrease the text size, or drag it to the right to increase the text size. And that's it. So you can see that we applied for other settings as well, such as notes. So in notes, your text size will be larger. So here, if I drag it down to a smaller size, then in my notes, my text size will be smaller. So that will apply throughout your system. And that's it. If you want to turn it off, you can do so by tapping on the toggle button to switch it off. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.